Preparation for any job can be time-consuming and expensive, but it's a necessary step to ensure success. When it comes to hanging poly sheeting for restoration, abatement, and remodeling projects, time and materials are easily wasted on prep work, especially when following traditional containment methods that require a two-tape, two-step process. That's why Shurtape manufactures DS-154 double-sided containment tape, so you can cut steps, not corners. We know you have plenty of options, but DS-154 is uniquely engineered to get the job done quickly and easily, with no need for a secondary tape. The wall side of the tape features a premium-grade painter's tape adhesive, the same used in our patented Shurtape brand painter's tape, which allows for 21-day clean removal. On the exposed side is a specially engineered, aggressive adhesive that securely holds poly sheeting when building containments. To apply, simply adhere the non-linered side to the surface, peel the liner to expose the aggressive adhesive, place the poly, and get to work. The double-sided construction results in full surface contact with the poly sheeting, ensuring a strong, airtight hold that lasts throughout the job, including negative pressure containments. When the job is done, the tape and poly sheeting remove simultaneously in one simple step, with no damage to surfaces or adhesive residue left behind. DS-154 delivers performance you can count on, as well as labor and cost savings for restoration, abatement, and remodeling jobs, helping you to achieve your goal of on-time completion and superior results for each and every job. Visit Shurtape.com to learn more about DS-154 double-sided containment tape.